Do I have a boyfriend? Is that what you're asking? Oh. Yes. Well, technically, no. There's this boy at Yardley. He's just a boy. Mere youth. We've dated a couple of times. But, football? No. No. Gatsby doesn't play football. He likes to figure out the point spread. Yeah, he's very dear. Gatsby's very amusing. Very unusual. He's quaint. That's the word I used to describe Gatsby. Yes, quaint. He's exotic. He's searching, shall we say, for this romantic dream from a vanished age. Yeah. What's this wine? I shouldn't imbibe so copiously in it. Alcohol plays havoc on my cerebral neurons. I just become very loose. I lose my sensor. I become uninhibited. Very passionate. Wicked. Absurd.